All right, good morning, crypto enthusiasts, core DAO fans, and miners. It's 2 days to go, and a lot of people are excited about the core DAO project. So I'm going to be showing you how to stake, how to delegate, and also how to swap your core to fiat currency. And in this video, if you have any issues, you can actually check up and join us on our Telegram here at BYBIT School. Here, I'm going to drop the links below in the comment section. So let me just go ahead and show you what's happening in the core DAO community right now. And you see 2 days to go right here, and all they're telling you is get ready. Day 3, they were telling you stake. Let's come down and you see here, get ready to stake and stake. So I'm going to teach you how to delegate, how to stake, how to swap. You know, and if you check here, if you've been observing here, they've been having partnerships with different crypto exchanges. A lot of these partnerships has been mentioned on the core DAO Twitter page, and I'm going to be showing you how to actually connect with these exchanges. If you're not already registered with these exchanges, you need to get registered. I'm going to drop the link to all the exchanges below, and one of them here you see here is this HUOBI Exchange. You see here, over here there will be a deposit address in these exchanges, so you need to go and register an account right now with HUOBI. And another one that has been mentioned here, I think OKX also has been mentioned, and BYBIT also has been mentioned. Let's just check here. Okay, you see here BYBIT, this BYBIT, and I think down, if you come here, okay, see OKX over here. So you need to go and register with all these exchanges. You see here BYBIT, I'm going to drop the link for BYBIT, and I'm also going to drop the bit for OKX. I'm going to drop the link also for HUOBI Exchange. So you need to go and get registered now, so that you verify your account, do your KYC with the account, and get ready. You're going to have a deposit address. They're going to give you a core deposit address on all these exchanges. You can actually swap your core DAO token to fiat currency. Make sure you follow us on Telegram so you can get all the updates about core DAO, how to stake, how to delegate, how to also swap to fiat currency. So see you in the next video, where I'll teach you how to stake, and I'll also teach you how to delegate and swap your core DAO tokens to fiat currency. Bye, and see you in the next video.